Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wealthsimple, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Wealthsimple website. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button on the home page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again. Select your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Click on Next to proceed to the next step. You'll need to provide some personal information. Enter your full name in the designated field. Next, input your phone number. Make sure to select the correct country code. Click Next to continue. Now, you will provide your date of birth. Fill in your address details accurately. Include your city, province, or state, and postal code. Click Next to move to the next section. You will be asked to provide information about your employment. Select your employment status from the options provided. Next, fill in your occupation and employer information. Click Next once you've completed this section. Wealthsimple will now ask about your financial situation. Answer the questions regarding your income and net worth. These details help Wealthsimple recommend suitable investment options. After completing this section, click Next. You will be required to answer a few questions regarding your investment knowledge. Choose the options that best represent your experience level. Once done, click Next to proceed. Review all the information you've provided carefully. Ensure that everything is accurate and complete. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.